I've been using the Chime SpotMe service for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the SpotMe. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the SpotMe feature. SpotMe is Chime's fee-free overdraft service that allows eligible members to overdraw their accounts by up to $200 on debit card purchases and cash withdrawals without incurring any fees. To qualify, you need to have a monthly direct deposit of at least $200 and activate your Chime Visa debit card. One of the standout features of SpotMe is its simplicity and transparency. Unlike traditional banks that often charge hefty overdraft fees, averaging around $30 per transaction, SpotMe covers your overdrafts without any charges. When your account balance goes negative, Chime applies your next direct deposit to the negative balance, bringing you back to positive territory. However, it's important to note that SpotMe only covers debit card purchases and ATM withdrawals. Other transactions, such as bill payments or checks, are not covered and may be declined if your balance is insufficient. Additionally, while Chime doesn't charge fees for using SpotMe, third-party fees like out-of-network ATM charges may still apply. Overall, SpotMe offers a user-friendly and cost-effective solution for those who occasionally need a small buffer to prevent declined transactions or overdraft fees. As always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.